Hey guys, it's Bart and welcome to another video. So today you will be seeing the first skit that I had ever written, filmed and edited myself. I filmed this just the other day and now that it is 2018, I thought that I would upload it for you guys to start my streak of uploading hopefully every Saturday. So I hope you enjoy it. What are you doing? Trying to get with hiccups. Hiccups? 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 Yeah, hiccups. You know a good way to get rid of hiccups? No, nothing's worked. I've tried holding my breath. I've tried asking someone to scare me. Would you be able to scare me? I have really bad hiccups. No, I really don't feel like it. Did it work? I'm just gonna leave now. I've even tried drinking a cup of water with no hands. That takes skill. Well then, have you tried drinking water upside down? No, that wouldn't work. You don't know, you haven't tried it. Well, just won't, okay? Thought it wouldn't work. It won't, I thought of this myself. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit you just saw. If you did, please remember to smash the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you really liked it and comment to give me ideas to film next or your favourite part of the video or just whatever you want. And I hope to see you next Saturday with another video. Bye.